Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can design with Coreldraw. So Coreldraw is a software package that allows you to design logo, flyer, poster, banner, anything design. So illustration, you can design illustration, you can design your social media design, you can design book cover design, album cover design, any kind of design you can achieve it with Coreldraw. So you don't need a phone to use this Coreldraw, you only need your laptop. So you install Coreldraw through the internet. Just search for Coreldraw. You can download it from the internet, or you go to a computer center. They can help you to install the Coreldraw. Then you can also use any version of Coreldraw. You can use any version, be it Corel 2026, 2025, 2011, 2009, any version. So in this video I will show you how I will be using Coreldraw 2021 to design. So let's get started. I'm using Coreldraw 2021, as you can see. I want to start from scratch so that you can see everything clearly. So once you open your Coreldraw, you will see something like this. You just click on the plus sign that is there. That means new document. You click on it, you continue with OK. So in this Coreldraw interface, we have menu bar, we have status bar, we have property bar. So I will show you this is the menu bar. We have file, edit, view, layout, object, effect, bitmap, text, table, tools, window, and help. In this file we have new document, we have open, we have save, we have save as, we have import. And in this edit we have so lot of function here. And in this view we have them like that. If we come down, you see the status bar here. This sign indicates new document, this one indicates open, and we have this one, the third one, indicates save. And we have so lot of tools there. If you come down here, you will see to page. If you want to page it, you want to give it any size, so let's leave it as 2 page. So this third one, you see, they call this property bar. So any size, any page size you want to use for your design, you can just select it here. So there are so lot of pages here, so just select it. So I'm using A4. So the unit, make sure you change the unit to inches. If you are designing in point, if you are designing in pixel, you choose it, you understand? But I'm choosing inches for my design. Here we have orientation. This is portrait orientation, this is landscape orientation, you understand? So depending on if you want to design maybe portrait poster or landscape poster, you understand? Portrait design or landscape design, you understand me? So this is where if you don't want to use this A4, or you want to use any size here, you can just draw your square, then you give it circle size. This is where you give it size, dimension. This is the dimension. This is the dimension. You see the width and the height. So in case, let's say 6 by 9, now you can see this is how you achieve the dimension. So let's get to the toolbox. Here we have toolbox. We have, in this toolbox, we have pick tool, that is to select, position, or transform object. Here we have shape tool, we have crop, zoom, we have freehand tool, we have sort of tool. So these are the important tool that is here. But if you want to check the other tool, we have the other one here. If you click on this point, the point pointing down, that arrow pointing down, you will see the another tools there. You can see all this one, they also have their own function. And then if you come down here, you will see something like this, 1 of 1, that is page 1. Because this is page 1, we are working on 1 page. But if you want to increase this page, maybe you are trying to design a brochure, or you are trying to design a book. You understand? A book has so many lot of pages. So if you want to increase it, you can just come down here and click on the plus sign that is here. Click on it like this. And if you want to delete any page, just have to just have to click on the page and right click, then you see options, then you delete. Click on it, delete. You understand? That's how you achieve it. So if you look down, if you look this side, you have the color palette. This color palette can be CMYK or RGB. CMYK is used for printing. Any design you want to print out, you should use CMYK. But if it is something you want to upload just online, social media, design something, you can use this RGB. You understand? But this one is default color palette. So if you draw any, use this rectangle tool to draw anything. If you just left click, sorry, if you right click, if you left click, you will just give it any color. You understand? Let's Control Z. So if you want to give it line color too, you just right click on it, then you set the color outline. If you want to make it thicker, come to this side, then you make it thicker. You understand? That's how. So I don't think you know how to draw rectangle, so you can just use this rectangle tool. You draw rectangle like this. You can see this rectangle. If you want to use it to draw square, you can use it to draw square. If you want to draw circle, use this ellipse tool. You draw circle, you can see, draw circle. If you want to draw something like this, draw it. So let's draw circle. If you want to draw polygon, you click on polygon, you draw it. If you have to check other tool, just click on the black arrow pointing down here. You see star. You draw star. You understand? You draw star. In case you want to try another shapes, just click on this common shapes. Then you come to this side. You see this tool there. Click on the black arrow pointing down. That edge. So you just click on it. Then you see another tool. You understand? You see another tool. So let me show you how you can give it color. I think I already show you can give it color. You just have to give it any color. So with your mouse, you want to delete you want to remove the black outline, you just set it as color outline. That's all. So let's try another. This A you are seeing here is for text tool. You want to write anything, you understand? This function of that here. Then this one is just like for all these all these sizes. This thing, it's not all tools that you will be using. You understand? So here, let's do this one. Here we have shadow tool. Once you click on it, you can just move it like this. You can click on this one and move it. You can see the shadow. If you like, click on the shadow, move it up. This is the shadow. You understand? If you like, click on shadow, come to this side, to this preset, then set it. Here you can give it black. Just try it. Just explore more on this ones. Explore more by yourself. You will see how you can use it. You can see how it can benefit you. You can see it's very simple. So let's continue. So if you click down here, you will see contour. Contour means once you click on contour, you see something like presets here. If you want the contour to be inward, you click on inward. You can see the contour appear inward. If you want the contour to appear outward, you click on outward. You see it appears outward. So then if you want to reduce the contour, if you want to increase it, this is how you increase it. If you want to reduce it, you can see now I want to do this to 1. Now we have only one contour. If you want to increase it, you press up, so 3. So let's reduce it. You can see what I'm trying to do. So if you want the contour to be closer to the original star, then you come down here. But if you want it to very far, you want to expand it, you also expand it here. You can see it's very simple. It's very simple. So once you are finished, once you are done, you can just Control K it. Control K means break apart. You will separate this star and that star, that red star and that blue star. You separate it. That's how we separate it. And see now I can choose anyone. Then let's control Z. Then let's try another one. So let's try another one here. Let's click on the black arrow pointing down. We have blend. Blend means blend. We don't normally use this blend. Like I said, not all tools you be using. Not all tools you be using. Not all tools. Let me try something. I don't used to use it. That's why. So let's try something. Let's click on something, then let's try to see if there will be any change. There's nothing like change. So let's just continue with our tutorial. Then let's click on this distort. Distort means from the word distort, to distort something, to distort it. You understand? Let distort. You can see how we distort this one to any shape. You can see distort as the movement of the mouse is the one that's causing this thing. So you have to explore more on this distort. You see, as I distort this one, it changed to another color. You understand? So this one means distort. Here, let's click on another shape. Let's leave this one. Let's use this square. Let's give it color. Then let's use another. We have envelope. You can see envelope here. This envelope. You see, envelope. Even all these distort. All these shadow. All this thing can work on text too. So don't let us forget. Let's work on text. Let's write Tayo, my name. Let's work on text so that you can see it's not only shape. It can also work on text. Then let's start from shadow. Like I told you, shadow, you can just move it anyhow you like it, or you come to this preset to give it as you like. You can change the color here. You can see. So you can see it works on text also. Then if you click on contour, you can change your contour to outward. Then you reduce the contour or you increase it. I decrease it to 1. Then I want to make the space is too much. I have to reduce it. That's why I'm pressing the arrow that's pointing down. Yes, I want to increase it, you increase it. But if I want to give this tile that black, if I want to give it another color, it's not possible. You see, it's not possible. So what I have to do is just to control K it. This thing has turned to another thing. Let me control Z it. Let's click on that contour again. So let's control K it. Control K. Then let me try to pick this. That's turned to another thing. Let's try again. So let's control K it again. Must click on it before you control K. You click on it, then you control K. Then let's try to give it another color. I think because I choose shadow. The shadow that I choose for this one is affecting this A. So I have to clear the shadow. This is where you remove the shadow. Let's remove it, everything, so that the text will be normal. You understand? You picked the two. You see, it has changed to normal. There's nothing like if I give it another color like this, it will not be showing like the text. That tile will not be showing something like 3D. You understand? As you can see, it's not showing something like 3D again. So that's how you use contour. Let's move to another tool. Let's give it a solid color. Then let's move to this distort. If you want to distort this tile like this, you can distort it like this. You see, from the normal state to distort. You see I'm distorting it. You see I'm distorting it. So you can just explore more on that. Let's come here. See this one. You twist it. You see how it's twisted. this preset is teaching us bad, is giving us some, you see how they distort it. So if you click on this envelope too, you can just bend it like this, bend tile, or you shift it up like this, or you shift it down like this, or you see this work of envelope can these tools can work on text, it can work on shape. That's what I'm trying to show you. So let's use another tool. We have exclude. So if you use exclude, don't forget, once you click on exclude, just drag it to any side, you see. So you can break it by pressing Ctrl K. You can give this one black, you see. If you want to use that as extrude on this text, you can also let's shift it up, so you can break it, then give this one, give it black. Sorry, let's ungroup it here. It is grouped, so let's ungroup it. So let's give it black. Let's try it again. So let's Ctrl K it, then let's give it. Okay, let's ungroup it first, then let's give it black. You can see now, I'm not performing magic. You can see that's how you use the extrude tool. Let's delete this one. So let's try another tool. We have block shadow. You can see, it's like a extrude. If you use this block shadow on this one, on this on shape, you see, you can change the color. If you click on the extrude again, you can change the color here. Come down here, change the color as you like it, you see. So that's how you use all these tools. You can use it for text, you can use it for shape. I hope you understand. So if you want to remove it, you can come in here, clear block shadow, you see. That's how you remove it. And if we have another tool, let's firstly use it on shape. You Ctrl D to duplicate. So let's say you remove the outline, that black that is there, you remove it. So we want to try this transparency tool. This transparency tool you are seeing, let's try it. Let me show you how you can use it. You see, this black face this side, you see, that's how I use it. You understand? If I want to use it on red, I can use it like this, that the black will face here, you see. You place everything like this, you see. Let's remove it. You can see that's how you use transparency tool. Let's Ctrl Z. So once you use it on this text, you can also use it on this text. You can just use it like this. Tile. Just let's say let's make the black side face here. You see, anywhere the black side is facing, the place will fade off. You understand? If you take it to this side will fade. You understand? It will fade. And let me show you something. In case you want to fade this side and this side together, you want to fade both sides. Once you fade one side, you now go to bitmap. You convert it to bitmap. Then you make sure this one is in RGB. Then you press OK. Once you are done, you see, you now come back to transparency tool again. You now fade this side again. You fade this side. Once you fade it, let's fade it so that the T can show. Once you try it again, you see now you have to go back to the to this side to convert it to bitmap. Then even I think you don't need to convert it to bitmap again unless you want to fade it again. You understand? Let's just Ctrl Z it. Let's just give it let's leave it like this. So it's only AY0, AYO, IO. You understand? That is there. That's how you use this transparency tool. I hope you all understanding me. So this second to the last tool, eyedropper tool. This eyedropper tool. Let's say I want to convert this shape, this brown shape, this shape with brown color. I want to convert it to this color, and I don't want to go to this color palette to choose the color. I can just click on this color eyedropper tool, click it once, then click on this, on the original color that you want to use. Click on it, then go to your preferred text or shape you want to. Just click on it like this. You can see everything is now the same. If you want to use red, you can come to this color eyedropper, click on it, click on the shape, choose the color, then place it here. That's how you choose it. So we have something like interactive here. Interactive is also like that transparency tool. You can see. So, but this one is very advanced. You can do so lot of things with this one. If you have to explore all these things, you can see different kind of shapes is here, different kind of as you like it, as you want it is there. So you have to explore it. I think we are done with the little introduction to Coreldraw. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. So we are not done yet, so make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.